Okay, Vince, it's not quite finished. I still gotta put a board underneath, but I'm testing, okay? So, just want to show you something. It's very important. Okay, minimize. Okay. Remember the keyboard, this is a keyboard. So, to get the speed, to keep the speed fast, settings, control panel, keyboard, you want the repeat rate fast, repeat delay short. Make sure you set those that way, okay? Because when I first started playing, I noticed it was slow, okay? So I moved this over to fast and short, and it speeded everything up. It's a lot better. Okay. So now I'm going to play just a tiny bit, and you get an idea of how to use this controller. Okay. There's no enter button. Maybe you can change enter to this button here, right? You know, you're going to start the game. Enter. Okay. Coin or S tab. I'm not going to talk about that right now. Okay, so coin, tab, escape. Okay. Coin, player one. Kind of put between the thumb, eh? Gotta get this stable. Okay, so there you go. It's coming to you.